Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without filming. So every Wednesday, I'll be coming out with a YouTube strategy video, and this is going to kick us off, right? And so this question is actually typed and searched in, and so I thought I would give it a crack on answering it. So how people are wondering, how do you make money on YouTube without filming? So obviously there's a misconception that you have to get on camera and film yourself. I can easily do away with my screen cast on the bottom right hand corner of the screen that you can see. You can actually see me. I could do away with that and just record this screen. And I did that with 135 videos before I actually started putting myself on camera. I started doing this because it was a New Year's challenge for myself to get on camera. And so this is going to be answering that you can build millions of subscribers on your channel and have huge success on YouTube, and you don't have to film yourself. So we're going to jump off. There's multiple methods on how you can do this. I'm going to give you 3 softwares that you can use. 2 of them are paid and 1 of them is free. I'm going to show you how you could do this and create a YouTube channel based on any niche that you wanted to, and you don't have to film yourself. And then I'm going to wrap it up. So let's jump in. So method 1 is the software called Vidnami, right? And I will drop a link to all of the softwares I go through on this video. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check them out. What Vidnami is, it used to be called Content Samurai, and now it's Vidnami. They went through a branding over the last 6 months, a branding change. And so you can use Vidnami software to make niche specific videos with voiceover, music, video footage, images, and text. This is the best all-in-one tool. So I've used so many different softwares and softwares that are kind of similar to it, but I can tell you that this one is just the most efficient. They know exactly where to put everything. They know where to put the tools that you need, right? They take you through step 1, 2, 3, and then your video's done. I've used a lot of other softwares that are kind of trying to do what Vidnami has done, and they just fall short without, of course, not copying them 100%. But it just the software and the AI technology that Vidnami has is just insane. So essentially, you can write your script, upload it, and it will automatically pull in images and stock video footage. It has millions of them built into the software, and it will create an amazing video for you, right? I do have other videos that I go over on how to use this tool. I'm not going to show how to use this in this video, but so Vidnami is just really, if you want to pump out content quickly and you want high quality, you want all the bells and whistles, Vidnami really is the tool for you. All right, so we're going to jump into method 2, and method 2's software is called WeVideo. I do have WeVideo, and I also have other videos on the channel where I've shown how to use WeVideo. It has a lot of similarities to Vidnami. It's not as fast at creating videos, but if you want more control over the actual video, you want to control and you want to bring in multiple different audio sets. So you have a music file, and then you have your voiceover, and let's say you wanted to bring in something else like another noise or a bell. You could do multiple audio tracks inside that software, as well as multiple video tracks as well. And so you can do overlays and all kinds of stuff. So it's a true video editor. So you can completely get pro and customized with this software. But what makes this unique and separates this from using something like Camtasia or any of the Adobe products or those Pro Tools is that this one has has millions of stock video footage and images built into the tool as well. So essentially, what Vidnami and WeVideo are doing for you is that they're taking care of your story blocks, which is like $200 a year to have access to hundreds of thousands of stock images and videos. So if you wanted to use Camtasia and then also use story blocks on the side, you're going to be paying $250 for Camtasia. You're going to be spending $200 a year. for story blocks. And then you're going to probably use other memberships as well. So you're going to be spending a lot more money to do it the other way. And that's why I like WeVideo. It's really, everything's built into the tool. It is a full video editor and also has all kinds of video assets and everything at your disposal. So you can create videos quickly with WeVideo as well. And then now, let's move on to method number 3. So number 3, you can use a software called OpenShot Video Editor. So OpenShot Video Editor, and then you would also need to use free stock video and images websites like Pexels and Pixabay. So this method works completely free. So, the downside to this method is that you're going to need much more time to do this, as you'll have to gather stock video and images one by one and do all the video editing 100% yourself, right? So if you have a lot of time and you don't really have a budget and you're just brand new and you just want to get up a couple videos, then this method will definitely work. But once you get to the point where you realize, I want to be putting out, 3 to 5 videos a week, I really want to grow on YouTube, you're going to probably need one of the other tools, method 1, method 2, or something else that's going to allow you to create content quickly, create high quality videos quickly. All right. And so finally, let's jump into our conclusion. So any of these methods work well for making YouTube videos without actually filming yourself. My favorites are Vidnami and WeVideo. I do use both, and it depends on what kind of video I'm doing. And also when I'm teaching, when I'm creating courses, one of my Fiverr gigs, I actually create courses for people. They use them and they sell them to their audience, or they put them on Udemy, and I create courses. And I do use both of these softwares depending on what we're trying to get out of the video, the lectures, and the course. So both of these are definitely my favorite, and that's why I share them with you in this video. Yes, they do cost money. However, they will save you tons of time, and you will be able to publish far more videos using these tools. Aside from, these are assuming that you want to do everything yourself. Now, if you're going to be running a YouTube channel, you can hands off, then obviously you're going to hire a video editor. You're going to hire somebody to write your scripts for you. You're going to hire somebody to do your voiceovers, and they're going to put all that together, and all you're going to do is go and publish. And actually, you can even find people that will manage. You can set them as a manager of your YouTube channel, and they will actually go and do all the uploading as well. So you can outsource that, but the cheapest that I've found to be able to do that for about 2 to 3 videos a week would be about $700 a month. If you can find anyone or any combination of using Fiverr and Upwork and all those great tools and services, if you can find a way to do that for cheaper than that, then drop that in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you how you outsource for cheaper than that. But prepare to spend about $700 a month to get 2 or 3 maximum videos per week completely hands off. So most people will not fit in that category where they have a budget for that on a monthly basis. So they're going to have to do it themselves. And that's why this is the best way to do it, right? And so do you have to be on camera and film yourself to be successful on YouTube? Absolutely not. So check this out. Burko Banks has never filmed himself and has over 120,000 subscribers, right? So it's almost like a free shout out for him. Not that he needs it, but he has 120,000 subscribers, and I've been subscribed to him and checked his channel out for years now. I remember when he only had a few thousand subscribers, and then during the pandemic, he has grown tremendously. In 2020, he had massive growth. I believe he got about 100,000 subscribers in the last year. So and he does not show himself on camera like I'm doing right now. He just records his screen and talks and does tutorials. So that is it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it and got value. And I hope that this answered the question, how to make money on YouTube without filming. You definitely do not have to film. You don't have to record anything happening in front of you. You don't have to record yourself. You can literally create videos without filming. So if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on next Wednesday's YouTube strategies video. Until next time. Take care.